Hey traders, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to go over the weekly watch list for the S&P 500, Emini futures, and other stocks for December 25th, 2022. Real quick, just remember, a reminder, the markets are closed, futures and stocks, on December 25th or Sunday. And then on Monday, they're also closed too, and they'll reopen on Tuesday. So let's jump right into this video of what I think the market's going to do this week. And also make sure you guys hit the like button and subscribe, and let's jump right into it. So we're looking at the S&P Emini 500 futures. We drew from this head and shoulders last week levels to watch for this week. I said to watch for this 83 or 3,800 level. Guess what? We came right down to it. And then today we bounced. So we're just ping ponging between the 127 and the 1618. Now the question is do we rally? Does the Santa Claus rally happen this week? And does the market actually drift higher? Or do we roll over? Well, on Thursday, it looked like the whole world was about to fall apart. And then on Friday, one of the things that happened was the E-mini S&P futures regained that entire move from the regular trading hours, which is very interesting. We do have a couple of gaps and VPOCs up above, but this may be setting up for a potential shoulder, head, maybe a pullback on a Tuesday, and then a rally into the end of the year and then into next year. So we will see. Maybe we do get a rally. I would definitely say, hey, watch this high volume node right around the 4,000. I called it 2 weeks ago. I said, hey, watch that 4,000. I also said the 41, 4,200. Don't think we're going there, but the 4,000 may be a kind of a magnet into the end of the year as we drift higher all next week. Real quick, let's take a look at our market profile chart. If you want to help support my channel, get some trading education, and also get weekly S&P E-mini trade zone levels, support, and resistance, then you need to sign up with my $99 lifetime subscription, one-time payment of the S&P weekly trade zones, where you will get support and resistance levels, any open gaps and VPOCs, and you will also get a 7-hour video course of my top 5 trading strategies that I go over, that I use on a daily basis. Also, as a bonus, you will get over 30 free Thinkorswim custom indicators and charts, and you will get on a weekly basis every weekend Thinkorswim share chart, so you can upload the drawings directly to your charts. If you use another brokerage firm, here are all the levels that you'll be able to draw your own levels on. So make sure you check out daytradingfearless.com to sign up, or the link down below. Again, $99, but back to the video. Remember, this is my new one. It's a 30-day a 30-minute, 90-day market profile. If you see, we came, or this low came directly right down to this low. We have a double bottom. Maybe price pulls back a little bit to the 38.30 level this week, but we'll see. And then create that shoulder, head, shoulder, and then a rally up to about 4,000. So we will see what happens. I think if we could get above this 39.20 level, we're definitely probably going to go to the 4,000 level, right around this red line, point of control. Right here, it will also fill the gap. So we will see if that comes to fruition this week. So that's what I think's going to happen this week in the ESs. Let's take a quick look at the NQs. With the NQ, kind of same exact thing. kind of bounced off the lows. The 1618 came up, stopped right the 127. Same exact pattern, same thing. Maybe we get up probably this high volume node right here about 11,500 going directly into the end of the year. But we will see how that plays out. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil, very interesting, kind of just a slow move higher, probably a lot to do with the, what you call it, the cold spell that's going on throughout the entire country. But if we draw just a couple lines, I think these are levels we should be very aware of going into probably the end of the year, but also early next year. See how I'm drawing this, connecting these, right? We have a channel, and then we finally have this level right here. So let's see what happens. We also have, we'll leave it here, potential break to the upside. We will see as we get deeper into winter, but it will definitely be interesting. I would say probably a little higher to sideways this week, but probably up to this 84 level. Crude oil does look bullish. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, nothing, dead. Right? 16,000 were exactly where we were all the way back in July levels. So really going nowhere, kind of tried to break out, poked its head above the 50, came back down. I still think Bitcoin has another leg lower, and we will see how that plays out. Let's take a look at gold. Gold, just kind of a sideways bull flag, right? Just flagging out. I am still bullish on gold. Nice flag pattern right here with the RSI flag pattern here. We'll call it something like this, and here is our flagpole. So I am definitely bullish on gold, especially going into next year. It just looks like it wants to rally. Same exact thing going on with silver right here. Kind of have our bull flag right here, and here's our flagpole. So silver does look bullish too going into next year. AAPL, I think Apple is about to lose this. I think it'll probably happen January or February of next year. Maybe we rally a little bit again going into the end of the year, but watch these levels down below. I think Apple is really kind of maybe the shock and awe of 2023 that nobody expects. Maybe we hit 110 on Apple sometime next year. If it does happen, I think it would be first quarter, sometime by March, I believe. A couple others, Amazon, AMZN. Amazon, I actually really like Amazon going into 2023. This is probably one of my top picks for next year. They're not going away. They have actually round tripped all the way from back in the 2020 levels, and look at this. I like this. So I think Amazon may be the play of the year, but I also think it may get below 80. Anything below 80 I really like. Real quick, Apple, just show you guys where 2020 lows were, right? Look at where we are today, right? I think Apple has a long ways to go, potential shoulder, head, shoulder, right? Pattern. And then finally, Tesla, TSLA. I actually like Tesla. See where the scalp is? Right here at the 80 level. I think if we could get down to this 80, even the 60 level, somewhere within this level right here, I actually like Tesla, but not until we get there. I think it's coming straight down to it. Don't fight gravity, but Tesla does look horrible. I think Tesla has some problems going on with everything, but just something to be very, very aware of. So hopefully that helps. Want to wish everybody happy holidays and all that. Have a great weekend, and until next time, we'll talk to you soon.